inspiring motivation, if you're the bird. The worm, however, has no idea when her future will be plucked away by
pluck, pluck,
when her future will be plucked away by the worm, however, has no idea when her future will be plucked away by the next airborne attacker.
attacker, attacker,
By the next airborne attacker.
At the cost of my company's reputation. A few sales do not make up for a runway strip show and sex tapes, and
runway, runway,
for a runway strip show and sex tapes, and for a runway strip show and sex tapes, and bandage dresses without the bandages.
bandage, bandage,
And bandage dresses without the bandages.
Well,
You surfing the Empire CCTV again? What is
surf, surf,
surfing the Empire CCTV again? What is surfing the Empire CCTV again? What is Olivia Mustang here?
Wrong place. This is the security footage from the Vanderwoodson building.
How'd you
footage, footage,
This is the security footage from the Vanderwoodson building.
how'd you
He won't, but if the head of the Spectator were to ask for business management advice,
He might accidentally let something slip.
accidentally, accidentally,
He might accidentally let something slip. He might accidentally let something slip.
especially if it's the kind of meeting that loosens lips.
loosen, loosen,
Especially if it's the kind of meeting that loosens lips.
Saying you live in an LES walk-up, but we both know you well enough to know you secretly long for a condo in the West Village.
Condo. Condo.
You secretly long for a condo in the West Village.
spotted S&D getting cozy again. Even
cozy, cozy,
spotted S&D getting cozy again. Even
No, that sex tape, I knew it went viral, but I didn't expect that.
Well, given the media circus, maybe.
circus, circus,
Oh, given the media circus, maybe.
I like to work on a client-by-client basis.
Could you give me some examples?
I'm sorry. My clients depend on my discretion.
discretion, discretion,
I'm sorry. My clients depend on my discretion.
How could someone who hides everything for everyone else pick his birthday for his password?
I underestimated you, Nathaniel.
underestimate, underestimate,
Underestimated you, Nathaniel.
So now you can cancel your expensive party and send everyone home.
I'm sorry, I think there's been a misunderstanding.
misunderstand, misunderstand,
I'm sorry, I think there's been a misunderstanding.
I could always play.
You hustled me.
hustle, hustle,
Hustled me. Unless you're Gossip Girl.
spotted two old flames slumming it on memory lane. Who
Slum. Slum.
spotted two old flames slumming it on memory lane? Who spotted two old flames slumming it on memory lane? Who doesn't love a sequel?
sequel, sequel,
Who doesn't love a sequel? Who doesn't love a sequel?
Did she give our exact location?
Yeah, which means our mob of new friends are probably.
mob, mob,
Yeah, which means our mob of new friends are probably... It's sports, oil trafficking, or something else he's illegally selling.
Like a nuclear bomb in a briefcase.
You watch...
briefcase, briefcase,
Like a nuclear bomb in a briefcase.
You watch... Wait, that's it. The movie Traffic is right here. I remember in that film the head of the drug cartel...
cartel, cartel,
I remember in that film the head of the drug cartel...
Ladies, how are we getting along?
Famously.
famously, famously,
Famously. This is all Nellie's fault. She was clearly lying because she's always been jealous of me.
jealous, jealous,
She was clearly lying because she's always been jealous of me. You read that, Drek?
On the plane. And his central thesis is correct.
thesis, thesis,
And his central thesis is correct.
Everyone in the art world was coming here tonight. Instead of my gallery opening, I decided to have my opening here.
That's outrageous. I'm going to talk to Benedict and...
outrageous, outrageous,
That's outrageous. I'm going to talk to Benedict and...
Well, I'm sorry. I never imagined that you'd object to raising more money for such a worthwhile cause.
worthwhile, worthwhile,
Raising more money for such a worthwhile cause.
We'll fly Vanessa back from whatever third world country she's in if I have to.
Do you hear yourself? You're trying to bully me into
bully, bully,
trying to bully me into
There's nothing in any of this art.
It could be subtle. Tape on the backing, a rip in the seam.
No.
seam, seam,
Tape on the backing, a rip in the seam.
No.
Nate, what are you doing here?
I am just writing a story on Lily's artwork for the Spectator.
artwork, artwork,
I am just writing a story on Lily's artwork for the Spectator.
What if those feelings never really went away?
That high school kid you fell in love with, that's not who he is anymore, okay? He almost cost me the Spectator to sell his cereal, and he
cereal, cereal,
cost me the Spectator to sell his cereal, and he... That painting of the Rainbow Woman is gone.
rainbow, rainbow,
Painting of the Rainbow Woman is gone.
Listen, you vile little interloper. You and Rufus may have rubbed your last 2 nickels together to replace my art, but
nickel, nickel,
nickels together to replace my art. But the only people that you're making fools of are yourselves.
But tonight, folks, the centerpiece of this event...
centerpiece, centerpiece,
But tonight, folks, the centerpiece of this event... $500,000. Do I have 520?
520. She may have been able to con Lola out of half my mother's estate, but
con, con,
she may have been able to con Lola out of half my mother's estate, but
Everyone that we care about in your exposés?
Which leads us back to your reason for calling me a selfish egomaniac. You're right.
selfish, selfish,
Calling me a selfish egomaniac. You're right.
What do you think you're doing? We're supposed to be on the same side.
so you are still aligned with her.
align, align,
So you are still aligned with her.
Habit. Like a headband. Just a remnant from when you were a tastemaker.
remnant, remnant,
Just a remnant from when you were a tastemaker. you going? You won't look good in him.
But you will while you eat crow.
Crow. Crow.
But you will while you eat crow.
Isn't it weird to say I'm glad we got in that fight?
No, not at all. I am too. That storage unit I kept packed full of old resentments was getting...
Resentment. Resentment.
That storage unit I kept packed full of old resentments was getting... I should probably take off. It's getting pretty late.
Oh, did you ever find a place?
Technically, no, but I mean, I got that check now, so...
Technically. Technically.
Technically, no, but I mean, I got that check now, so... I got...
Hide the fact that I have no talent.
I wasn't the one who said you didn't have talent, Blair.
No, but you told me to squash my dark side.
Squash. Squash.
No, but you told me to squash my dark side.